Hi, I am Subhajit. Today's topic exponents and power. Very easy and important chapter for all of you. First of all, I write two number and this is the two big number. Short form is in short form we write ten to the power 9 and this is in short form we write 15 into 10 to the power 9. Here this 10 is called base and 9 is called exponent or power. Did you know that the approximate distance between Sun and Earth is, here is the Sun and here is the Earth. This is very difficult. This is very difficult to read this large number. To make it convenient to read and understand this large number, we use exponent. When we use exponent, this big large number, this is the bigger large number. It is very difficult to read this large number. To make it convenient to read and understand the large number, then we use exponent. And remember it, these exponents help us to read, understand and compare very large and very small numbers. These exponents help us to read, understand and compare very large and very small number, like population of country. Next, distance between planets, distance between planet, and very smaller size, like this is the big size, and smaller size like size of atoms. This is the large big number. Here base is the 10 and 9 is the exponent. We write another number. 256. Here 256 equal to or we write 2 to the power 8 or we write 2 to the power 8. Here 2 is the base and 8 is the exponent. For example, here this is the negative rational number and this is the odd power. In formula of exponent and power, we says that this answer always be negative. Therefore, minus 1 to the power 9 minus 1 to the power 9 is equal to minus 1. This is the answer. And point number 3 says that if x by y if x by y is any rational number, is any rational number and a is any integer, then we say that x by y to the power a is equal to x to the power a by y to the power a. For an example, 2 to the power 5, 2 by 5 whole to the power 5. Here 2 is the x and 5 is the y and 5 is the integer. 2 to the power 5 and 5 to the power 5. Next part, law of exponent. Point number 1, laws number 1. If a to the power m into a to the power n, if a to the power m into a to the power n, then we write that a to the power m plus n. Here a is a non-zero number and m and n is a whole number. Says that a to the power m multiplied with a to the power n. Therefore, we write that a to the power m plus n. For an example, 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3. Formula, as per formula number 1 or law of exponent number 1, we write that 2 to the power 5 plus 3. Therefore, 2 to the power 8. This is the answer. Laws number 2. A to the power m divided by a to the power n. If a to the power m divided by n, then we write that a to the power m minus n. Here A is a non-zero rational number and m and n are whole number. M, n whole number, and A is the non-zero number. Okay. For an example, we write that 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 3. As per law of exponent number 2, we write that 2 to the power 5 minus 3 equal to 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. This is the answer. Okay. Laws number 3. A to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Therefore, a to the power mn. For an example, we write that 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 2, that is 2 to the power 6. This is the answer. समझ गई? लॉस नंबर 4 बोल रहे हैं कि a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to ab to the power m. Here we saw that exponent is same and base are non-equal. Base is non-equal and exponent is same. Therefore, a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to ab to whole to the power m. 3 to the power 3 is equal to, as per formula or as per law, 2 into 3 whole to the power 3. Therefore, 6 to the power 3. Okay, this is the answer. Formula or laws number 5. Laws number 5 बोलेगा a to the power m divided by b to the power m is equal to a by b whole to the power m. For an example, we write that, for example, 2 to the power 3 divided by 3 to the power 3. As per law of exponent, we write that 2 by 3 to the power 3. This is the answer. Okay. And laws number 6. Law number 6 बोल रहे कि a to the power 0 always be answer 1. A to the power 0 always answer is 1. Here a is the non-zero rational number. Okay. Law number 7 बोल रहे कि if a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. A to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. Here a is the non-zero rational number and m is the whole number. In law number 6, we says that a to the power 0 is equal to always 1. For an example, For an example, 10 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 10 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. In loss number 7, we says that a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. For an example, this is the answer as per law of exponent. Okay. This is the 7 laws of exponent. This 7 law of exponent is very, very important. Okay. Today, complete the theory part of exponent and power and exponent. Thank you. Next part will become very soon some numerical problem on exponent and power. Bye.